you every day, and I wish it could be less. There's nothing that they can say or act like a fool, 'cause I've never felt how the flowers bloom to then die when you cut them. You're so cruel. But I can't accuse you, 'cause you don't know what real love means. If for you it is dead, can't blame you when it ends. If it's in my head, I wonder what you'd say. I've already taken the car key.
Indy? Indy? Indy! Good morning, beautiful! Hey, good morning! Good morning, my love! How are you this morning? Good? Good? Yeah! Are you good this morning? Yeah, you're good. Nakapag-nap na yan, guys. So, nagising yan apakaaga, tapos nakanap na din. Maikli lang yung nap niya. Eh, hindi pa din ako nakakape. Eh, ha? Bedtime? No, it's not. No, it's not. Good morning, Alo. Good morning, Indy. Magkape tayo, guys. So, yung kape ko is yung kung ano lang yung nandito. Ay! Indy, I'm here! Hello! Hello! May dala akong kopi ko, pero dalawa lang kasi dalawa na lang yung natira kong kopi ko. Let's see what I have. That is sugar. Nakapag-breakfast na ang mga tao. Yung mga taong nandito. Si Manay hindi pa bumabangon. Ano tayo ngayon? Black coffee. Hindi ko nagawa yung nachos ko kahapon, so ngayon na talaga itutuloy na talaga kasi last day na namin ngayon. Pero mamayang gabi kami aalis. And hopefully matulog yung mga bata sa car, tas transfer na lang para magawa ko na yung unpacking ng walang disturbo. Hopefully we'll see. I don't know what's gonna happen. But we will leave tonight. Tapos sila Manay bukas sila alis. Monday.
Eating or not really?
Why?
Oh, you have lunch anyway, aren't you? The nachos and stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, so I'm gonna have a shower.
Yeah, sige, because I wanna have a shower too. Thank you. So, hugas kami ng hugas, guys. Like, hand wash ba ng mga plato. Meron palang dishwasher. Kahapon ko napansin, meron palang dishwasher. Bakit tayo nag-uhugas ng napakadami? Yung mga malalaki, hinuhugasan talaga. Like, yung mga pants. Oh, thank you, Alo. Well done, boy. Nakapag-walking na din kami saglit ng mga kids. Malamig. Nakapajamas lang kami. Nag-walking kami doon saglit. Sama ko si Holly, si Arlo. Thank you.
Are you doing nachos in there, boy?
Yeah, I can. Or are they using that?
No, we're not using that.
Okay, that's good. I'll do it then. Kahapon pa to excited sa nachos. Lagi niya akong tinatanong, nachos ka? Nachos ka? Alright, sana masarap. Usually, nilalagyan ng gatas to. But hindi ko lalagyan ng gatas. Black coffee tayo din. Hello, beautiful! Maliligo ako. Tapos paliguan natin si Indy din. Ang busy ng Renmark ngayon. Ang ganda tingnan kasi ang daming ganap sa river. Hindi ko nga napakita sa inyo, no? Yeah, ang daming ganap sa river. Ang daming tao. Like, puno talaga. Like, yung campsites, puno. Yung caravan sites, puno. Mga cabins, puno. So, next year, I think, dito din kami. Kasi mas madali lang na nandito lang kami. Kaysa sa mag-separate cabin tapos, dalhin din lahat ng gamit. Punta din dito lagi.
He wants you to hug you.
She wants to hug me? No, I think she wants her dummy. Go give her dummy.
He wanna hug you.
She wants to hug me.
Yes.
Indy? You want mama? Hello! Hello, beautiful! Do you want me?
He said yes.
Did she say yes? Ikaw, Arlo, pagka-tapulan ka, boy, ha? Go, Arlo. Who's gonna win? You? I'm watching. Uh-oh. Go for it, Alo. Oh my gosh, windy guys, malamig. Go, Alo.
Mommy.
Yeah, I'm watching. Go. Cute. Aw. Hindi ko na vlog yung sobrang kabisihan kasi mag-check out na mostly yung mga tao ngayon kasi linggo. But this time yung pinaka-busy ko nakita yung Renmark and it's nice, it's fun. See, maraming mga batang nagbabike, maraming mga gumagawa ng water sports. Punong-puno talaga siya. Kahapon it was really fun to watch. Go, Alo! Sus, buti na lang talaga. Pinilit kong dalhin yung mga scooter na yan kasi ayaw dalhin sana ni Daddy.
Mommy, it's fun.
I know, I'm watching you. I'm watching you. You're having so much fun.
Mommy.
No, it's okay. I'm staying here because I'm watching Indie. Gising na si Sis. Presko na. Presko na. Hey. Is that your teeth? Oh, wala pa yung suka kasi kanina pa yan kumain. Oh, you look guapo, Alo.
Happy ka na?
Happy na. Kanina umiyak.
Grabe.
Ayan na.
Parang
Gahabulan na.
nangyari.
So, si Dan, what time did you move to the couch?
First,
Ah. And you just left Ayla in bed?
You
Okay.
here?
yeah, she woke up. You wake up and you weren't happy, and I don't know how to say it like that.
Oh.
Daddy said like that. Did you sleep well last night?
Magkatabi kasi sila dun sa bed. Tapos, si Jan, maaga nga kasi siya. So, nandun na siya sa labas. Akala ko wala pang gising kasi close lahat. Close yung blinds. Pagtingin ko, nandun na pala si Jan. So, lumabas din siya. Sabi ni Jan, how did Dan end up on the couch? Sabi ko, yeah, I don't know. Ayla, how did your daddy end up on the couch? Sabi niya, he walked.
Tama nga nag-cry.
Tama nga naman lumipad. He walked. Alam nga naman, paano nga ba siya napunta sa couch?
Kailangan may tinalkan niya.
Cute niya, tawa, sabi nga ni Jan. Yeah, you're right.
Ay, nabinigin ni Jan.
Oo, nandun kami sa labas.
Johnny eating the crayfish today?
No, you bring it the crayfish today because we have some spring rolls,
I'll
embutido.
give it to my neighbour. That's okay.
Yeah, it's up to
Give
you.
it to
Adrian,
Yeah. It's big one too.
He's been wanting crayfish. Yeah. Yeah, nung Pasko, tinext niya kami na pwede bang bumili dun sa kaibigan mo?
Hindi naman kailangan niya.
Hindi kasi, hindi din naman tayo nagkita, di ba? Nung Christmas party, hindi kayo nakapunta.
What do you guys do? Tea too much, Joe?
Swimming na sila guys, ang aga. 10:50. Yeah, that's nice. 10:50 pa lang ng umaga, swimming na sila. Tingnan mo si Ayla. Oh, goggles na. Good job, Baba. You look good, girl. Kay Ate Holly yan. Ang cute.
Goggles? You have goggles.
I like that, Ayla. Bye. Hoy, hintayin mo. Wait for your daddy, ate. Are you wanna go in there? Will you fit? Ask Tito Neil.
They've come apart there.
Ask Tito Neil if you can go in there.
Yeah, you can jump in, mate. Yeah, I'll bring it to you. Hang on, Elijah. Yeah, stay there, Isla. Stay there. Oh, there's a scooter in the way. Hang on.
Just wait.
I want to put my sleep.
Oh, yes, please. Hala, everyone wants to go in now. Well,
Oh, that's fine.
everyone can come in?
Can everyone come?
Yeah? Kasya sila, Day? Aww. 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 Poor Tito Nilsy. Look at me, guys. Look at Tita Ray.
where's your goggles?
Hi.
Now I'll turn you.
Hello.
So I should put my hat on my head.
Oh, yes, of course.
Puno kayo dyan ha.
Bye, guys.
Isla, do you have your
Are you alright?
Yeah, she's got it.
Listen, hold. Ayla looks really uncomfortable.
Aw, she wants to put Elijah on her lap.
Oh, he
Aww. Magka-height lang sila. Ang cute.
What?
Oh my gosh, you guys, you're cute.
Goggles is in the bag.
Aww, are you okay, ate? You're very strong.
Bye.
Okay. There's some exercise in there.
Bye, Ala. Bye, guys. Ang cute nila, Day.
Fully book ang wagon.
Fully book. Uy, nagkasya sila, Day.
Wala na, hindi na next year, hindi na kasya.
Oh, meron pang isa. Uy, Be. Watch ka muna, Be.
Magkulang ka na lang. Sabi niya, late
Sabi
kang
niya,
dumating.
sus, ako na naman ang maiiwan
Late
nito.
kang dumating, so hindi ka makakasakay sa wagon. Okay?
Butante ulang hangover.
Eh, ako din, wala man ako ng ubos.
Ang dami kaya natin nainom.
Pero kulang lang talaga sa tulog.
Inubos ko yung alak mo na.
Kaya nga eh, ikaw na talaga. Ang dami niyang nainom kagabi siya ata. Pag ano siguro, na-shock siguro yung si John pag gising niya, apakadaming bote.
Ang daming bote nga.
Morning guys. Ayan, nakapagluto lang ng mating Inday. Nandito na sila dalawa. Sila yung nagluto ng breakfast. Thank you very much. Nagpaganda pa. Nasira daw ang kanya. Nasira kasi ang kanyang beauty dun sa content creation. And pumunta siya sa labas para i-content ang kanyang family na initan siya ng bongga. Sabi ko, hindi na ako kakain ng breakfast. Ito na naman tayo. Nakaupo na naman tayo dito. Brunch. Ay, thank you, Lord.
Lunch naman na sis.
Yeah.
Kaya natin yung lunch. Sabi natin, snacks na lang.
Patayin natin yan. Uy, sino ba
Ingay,
nanonood yan? Ay, hindi. Lapit ka dito, be.
Wawa ka naman dyan, baby. Ay, wawa naman yung baby ko. Ay.
Sis, kami lang naman to. Kaloka.
Wala, grabe naman yun.
Anong
Nakakaya daw.
Nakakaya sa kanino? May ketchup ka ba? Wala tayo ano?
Ketchup.
Okay, tanong lang naman. Daming sinasabi. Halika na dito.
Galit na naman siya.
Galit ka na naman.
Diet kasi to.
Hindi na kasi niya birthday. Hello, beautiful. Hello. Tagal naman ito, uy.
Bala.
Ano ginagawa niya? Kaya nga eh.
Yeah, masarap talaga yung hotdog na to. Argentina na.
Masarap nga yung hotdog.
Kain
Yan na
ka.
yung plato
Kain ka
niya.
ulit.
Ay, kumakain ka ba niyan? Calorie deficit ka din. Dalawa na kayong calorie deficit. Kumakain ng hilaw. Hilaw? Bahaw.
Ba?
Inaagawan pa ako sa aking calories.
Gabi ka naman magpaganda. Kami lang naman.
Kami lang. Ang putla ko. Ang pigmentation ng lips ko, grabe. So nga, mag-ano na tayo.
Uy, maganda yung Etude House na fixing tint.
Ay, so?
Ang tagal na niya sa drawer
Drawer
ko.
mo,
Tinry
ngayon
ko
mo?
lang. Ang ganda yan. Tapos naglalast siya.
Ay, hindi siya nagta-transfer? Ano ba?
Nagka-transfer siya kasi hindi siya water tint. Ano lang siya, parang velvety.
Matte.
Pero nagsistay
Cream,
siya.
cream.
Oo, parang
Cream.
cream. Yeah. Pero nagsistay siya. Ang ganda. Sorry. Luwa
Ganda mo sa sarili mo, no? Ganda nga. Very nice.
Asan yung vlog mo?
Wala siyang pakialang gutom na siya.
Kunin mo, ilagay mo dito. Mag-content ka. Asan ba?
Gutom ang person sis.
Kunin ko ito. Minsan lang mag-vlog. Wala pang laman. I just had a dream that you were far away. And someone else was in your arms today. Though I know it's just a dream, still my fear is always free. 'Cause I know the dreams can sometimes be so true. And I'll be true. Then I told myself I'd always stay the same. Even if you hurt me, I will take the blame. You are all I'm living for. I will love you
Gusto magpapaya.
always stay the
Tayo na.
same.
Gusto magpipikata.
Even if you hurt me, I'll take the pain. You were all I'm living for. I will love you even more. I will keep the pain inside my door. It's enough for me that I have come to love you. I sing because the heart I have could only want you. I just want you to remember, even if it takes forever, I would wait until
Ikaw na yung matasis.
I'll wait for you, you know it's true. Until the day I'll be with you, when all that's left is only me and you.
Sobra naman sa ano.
OA na.
Pasensya na.
I must be crazy now. Maybe I drink too much. But when I think of you, I long to feel your touch.
Taas naman ito, sis.
And I whisper these words as you lie here by my side.
Wow! Ginalingan mo daw, sis.
Please say you love me.
Hoy, Lenny daw. XXXLA. Patay ka. Lenny na.
These three words,
Yeah, wait.
they could change
Favorite
our
niya yan.
lives forever.
Sakit sa lalamunan. Guys, sino po gusto magpasabay? Nagbabox na din po ako.
Mura lang.
Mura lang po. Si Tajin po. Sa fruits nyo naman po, tsaka sa veggies. Okay guys, go nga pa.
So when I'm all choked up and I can't find the words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts.
Tapos na kami for now, mag-karaoke.
Orange.
I-prepare ko lang yung mga gagamitin for nachos. Nachos ako guys. Ay, ito yung ating. Ay, ayan. Ayan pala.
To see your face at that party, to remember how all of this began. Maybe I could say I'm sorry. I know that I'm facing something bigger, like I'm chained to die in this river, drowned in your eyes that sweep me like a tide. I'm yours eternally, I'm yours for life. Maybe I love your tight chains that I can't maintain. I can't stop thinking that it's so premature, that I could see it pure, but it's obscure. This net is not secure, 'cause you don't know what real love means. The traffic lights are red, can't blame you when it ends. If it's in my bed, I wonder what you'd say. I've already taken the car key to see your face at that party, to remember how all of this began. Maybe I could say I'm sorry. I know that I'm facing something bigger, like I'm chained to die in this river, drowned in your eyes that sweep me like a tide. I'm yours eternally and yours for life. Won't break, I'll stay eternally. My faith I gave eternally.
Alright, tapos na yung gulay, tapos na yung meat. Yung cheese dip naman tayo guys.
For you, I'm chained eternally. I've already taken the car key to see your face at that party, to remember how all of this began. Maybe I could say I'm sorry. I know that I'm facing something bigger, eternally. I'm yours for life, won't break. I'll stay eternally. My faith I gave eternally. I dig the grave eternally. For you, I'm chained eternally.
Okay na to. Hindi ko lalagyan kasi baka mga bata ko lang.
Half lang.
Half lang?
Ayun, half lang.
Bago ko lang.
Para alam
Last
nila.
year lang ako.
Ayan ang gawa ni Sisi. Mainit pa, Sis.
Ayun.
Sarap. Ang bango. Tikman natin. Ako naman yung titikim.
Ito naman tikim. Anuhin mo lahat.
Pero ano, lahat na lang.
Yung lahat ng ano.
Ano to, sagana sa gulay na nachos.
Bago mag-laptop.
Pero at least tapos.
Sige na, kaya ka na. Eh, ikaw ba na?
Yun yung ano ko. Worries mo.
Ba, ang daming
Ayan yung
gulay.
cheese.
Kasi yun lang naman yung mapakita.
Ayun, o yung ano, meat.
Kasi dami ko lang approach talaga na January relationship, diba? Yung ano lang talaga mapapatasin sa'yo.
Kain tayo, guys.
Meron din kasi ako. Ilan dyan, Nor? Lahat.
Nar?
Wow.
Lagyan more.
Including Kriya.
Ano nga sa pag may jalapeno? Nakik.
What do you want?
Ito pa.
Ah, you already had a lot of water, Baba.
Kain na. Dikin daw, lamon na to. Ready daw.
Ready?
Narinig yan na eh.
Kanina pa pala naghihintay.
Yeah.
Go for it, come on.
Sarap.
Nachos. I know your nachos.
Jack, this one is a bit spicy, the jalapeno.
Go on this side.
I don't
I
care.
don't
though.
care. Okay.
Which one's the non-spicy?
This side.
This one.
No, only,
Where's the spicy?
just don't get this one.
Yeah.
Ang sarap?
Yeah, with the meat.
Sarap there?
Get me the sauce out.
Ulitin yung picture. Yeah, grab the meat and the...
Ano, it's good. Refreshing kasi mayroong ano, cucumber.
Yeah, may cucumber.
Saan glasses talaga ako? Ang sarap na maasim pag mayroon.
Yeah.
Parang nagagamot yung sakit ng puso.
Ayun pala yung dalawang nagsisilpon dyan. Marami po to sa ilalim.
Hindi nga sila nagtatago kasi.
May jalapeno dito, ah. Ano gusto nyo lagyan?
Did you use up the chips for us?
Hmm?
Did you
Yeah.
use up the chips?
You want me to put it in a small plate for you?
No, no, that's what I was gonna say. We have some chips up there. Boys.
Ayun
Inubos
sa'yo.
mo?
Inubos ko. Dalawa lang yun eh.
Bakit daw?
Yung chips, sabi niya, bigyan niya sana yung boys. Hindi ka man lang nagsabi. Yun. It's alright. She's cooking, spring roll.
Yeah, that's so good.
Sinong bot ang bibigyan?
Wala pa. Dalawang lalaki.
Veronica? Veronica, honey? Ay, nalimas ang nacho.
Good job, Brad.
Huh?
Good job.
It's good. Good. Love it. Yeah. No, that's mayo.
Where's the cheese?
Wala na paper towel.
Yeah, that's cheese.
Wala na paper towel.
Wala na.
Ubus na.
Okay, that would have a lot of cheese.
Wala
Grab
na
that.
paper towel. Paano na?
Kawawa yung mata on. Lagi ng sunscreen. Hello, beautiful. Good morning! Ready ka na magpa-picture, be? Pwede na? Can we take a photo of you now?
Ba?
Yeah!
Pwede na?
May ganyang outfit si Ayla 2021. Pinasuot ko sa kanya. Ay, yan talaga yun pala, guys. Sinuot ko sa kanya, tapos picture sila dalawa.
Cute naman, cute mo talaga yun.
Yeah. Marami pa yan sa ilalim.
You don't get a bathroom out there.
Where is it? Outside, yeah. Ay! Agoy. Tira yung tatlo, guys. Agoy, napakong pa yung isa. You okay, boy? Nag-uuno yung apat. Oh, may isa pa dito. Ayan, oh. Snacking pa. Snacking while naglalaro.
Kulang na lang alak pa.
Kaya nga eh. Yura? Is it yours? Yeah, bang nitong isa. Galing na yan sila swimming, guys. Na, iba na naman mga damit. At least matutulog yung mga bata sa car. Yeah. Tapos at least nakanap din ako. Alis na kami, guys. Magsi 6:30 na, so alis na kami. Dating kami ng bahay mga 9. Bye! Thank you for playing with Ayla. Ray! Grabe ka naman sa aking beat. Bye. Gabi sa aking abs. Bye-bye. Bye. Oh, no!
Taragis kate.
Ipaano mo sa bata? Bye-bye. Nalaglag yung memory card. Lumusot nga. Sarap slow-mo nun kung nakuha yun sa ano. Yeah. Tony. I'll see you soon.
Go outside.
Yeah. For their camera. They dropped the memory card. See ya. Aw, thank you, Kuya. Come on, Alo. Kuya will put you in your seat. Yeah. Say bye to them. So, hindi pwede? Hindi makuha?
We played in the pool today. You guys are very good in the pool today, actually.
It's very tall.
Very cool. Oh, you jumped in. You guys gonna jump in. And who took Daddy's hat in the pool? Did you tell Mummy you took Daddy's hat? And
Who took Daddy's hat?
Me.
both of them did.
Really?
Both of them.
I did that, and I got that done, and I got that done.
Really?
Yeah.
That sounds really fun, guys.
So funny.
It is fun, yeah. Did you do a lot of jumping in the pool and a lot of swimming?
I jump, I water, and I look at that.
Oh, that's good.
And a teacher,
Oh, you played with Zach and TJ.
and my friend.
And his friend. Oh, who's TJ's friend?
Spiderman,
Oh, really?
one nice.
And was it a good holiday, guys?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's
The
good.
jello auntie.
Do you want to go back next year?
Do you want to go back next year?
We're going back to my party. And this is two. And this is two. And this is two. And this is two, mommy. And this is two. And this is two. And this is
Good job, guys. Yeah.
and this is
I picture you every day, and I wish it could be less blue. There's nothing that they can say. I'll act like a fool, 'cause I've never felt how the flowers bloom to then die when you cut them. You're so cruel. But I can't accuse you, 'cause you don't know what real love means. If for you it is dead, can't blame you when it ends. If it's in my head, I wonder what you'd say. I've already taken the car key to see your face at that party, to remember how all of this began. Maybe I could say I'm sorry. I know that I'm facing something bigger, like I'm chained to die in this river, drowned in your eyes that sweep me like a tide. I'm yours eternally, I'm yours for life. Maybe I love your tight chains that I can't maintain. I can't stop thinking thinking that it's so premature, that I could see it pure, but it's obscure. This net is not secure, 'cause you don't know what real love means. The traffic lights are red, can't blame you when it ends. If it's in my bed, I